channel, and today I'm back with a brand new video. And today's video I'm gonna unbox a pack of chalks to write on a blackboard or green board that I purchased from Amazon. And here it is. This is a box of chalks that I bought. So this is how it comes packaged. There's no branding or anything on it. It's a generic brand available on Amazon. You can purchase it from there. But I might be thinking, why did I buy chalks and blackboard, right? If you all remember, in our childhood, we all learned to write with chalks on blackboards and slates, and it's a very important skill, right? Today, if you directly go and ask your child to catch a pencil and start writing, they will find it very difficult. So the chalk, the shape of the chalk provides them a perfect practice ground to practice the pincer hold or the tripod hold, which is needed for writing, for the writing skill. So hence chalks become very essential and very important. And this is the box of chalks that I bought. I'll leave the link in the description below. You can purchase it from there. But it's very important to give your child a practice to write with chalks, right? So now let me quickly just show you all the chalks and then we can do a review of the same. So right here, this is a box of chalks. So I just opened it and quite a few chalks in it are broken, but that's fine. I think it's okay. I didn't expect them to come, all of them in like proper shape, but a few of them have been broken. But this is how long they come actually. This is actually the size of it, and they're like 2-inch long, right? And you get a total of 50 pieces in this, which is quite good. So it's an amazing thing to like give your child a practice to write with chalks on a blackboard. So yeah, I also purchased a green board from Amazon, which I had done a review earlier. So that is available. You can check that out. And definitely invest into chalks and boards for your child to learn to write. It's very important. So guys, if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.